everybody, I'm Lorie from Tees, back with another great kit for a quick and easy add-on to a wreath or boxwood wreath that you might have, or you can use it as alone as a door hanger. So this is our Welcome Bunny set, and we have added this time some adorable marshmallows and this beautiful plaid and polka dot ribbon. So this is going to be a fun accent to add to any wreath that you have, but it's also available in the blue, so you can pick your favorite color. And just like always, everything that you need to complete this project is going to be available in your kit. You're going to have your choice of the blue or pink bunny. You're going to receive your plaid ribbon, your polka dot ribbon, and of course this adorable marshmallow stem and your wire to connect it. So let's get started. So we're going to start out with this marshmallow stem, and what I did was I just went through and trimmed this apart into 3 sections. So you're going to have all 3 sections. These are really fun because they're wired, so you're going to be able to bend and manipulate them and just bring them to life and give a little whimsy to this. So you can take these and you can lay them any way that you want. So I'm just going to kind of layer these like this. And then I'm going to take this one this direction. So I've got all 3 stems just kind of layered on top of each other. And then I'm going to take a piece of wire. If I can figure out what I did with my wire. Here it is. Okay, so we're just going to take our piece of wire and I'm going to wrap this right around, just to kind of keep this together. So I just twist that, stack those, twist it, and you can wrap it a couple times if you want. But we're going to go back and wire again with our bow, so you don't have to be real concerned about making sure that it's really tight yet. So next we're going to take this pretty ribbon. This is so fun. The colors are so happy. So again, pinch, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And then we're going to add in this fun polka dot. Pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And I always do my patterns when I'm using multiples, kind of forming an X, just so you get your pattern kind of distributed a little bit around and everything's not bunched together. So now I'm going to take this and just wire this right to my swag that I've already created. Pull that wire around the back there. Pull it nice and tight. So now we have a really cute swag. And you know, I was looking at this the other day and I thought, how cute would this be for a birthday or anything? It doesn't have to be just Easter because it's just so fun. Okay, and then you can go back in and kind of perk up your marshmallow stems and your suckers and bring it to life. And we're going to trim these tails off here and make our ends really pretty. And you can leave your streamers as long or as short as you'd like. And then we're just going to attach it right to our bunny drop. Just wire that right to that. And then you can decide if you want to just wire it to a grapevine wreath or to a boxwood wreath. Or again, you can always just use it alone, just as it is, as a cute little door hanger. And these are just quick and easy, nice and fun, really fun, pretty bright colors. So this kit is available at shopteeslouisville.com. Thanks for tuning in.